Okay, so today we're going to try to remove smells from sponges. Sponges, washcloth, scrubbers, whatever you have. Okay? The quickest and the easiest way I have found. First, take your cleaning vinegar. It's a two-method system, and that's the easiest way I found so far. Drop them all in here. Okay, quick and easy. Soak them all up. You have to do a two-method system. I'm sorry, but that's the only way to do it, or else you're wasting time. Rinse that out. Okay, put them all in the side, and you can start to smell right away. You will smell the odor leaving right away. Funny as that. Okay, wring it out. The smell and the odor will go right away for you. Okay, just wring it out. After that, take your laundry detergent, because the ingredient that we needed is right here. Okay. I put it in ahead of time. A little bit. Then, you need your dish soap. Just mix like half and half in there. Just dilute it just a little bit. Mix it. Put them in a cup, or in my case in here. Put a little water into it. And pretend you're washing it. Quick, easy, less than a few minutes, and you save all your sponges. Pretend you're washing it like you're washing clothes. And your sponges will smell nice again. Or a washcloth or whatever. That's it. Now wring it out, rinse it out. Really nice and well. Especially sponges. Sometimes you leave this aside and it smells. And if you are cleaning grease, like those countertop kitchens and stuff, you can do the same thing. You can actually use stores cheap brand too. This is a cheaper brand. Laundry detergent. Yep. That's all you really need. And that's it. Rinse those out and you are all set. Now they smell awesome. They smell so nice, you wouldn't even know what is. Oh, it smells so good right now. And that's it. Easy as that. And then just rinse all your stuff out. Because they are. That chemical there, it cleans and it get rid of the smell. And it's also a little harsh, so make sure to wash your hands afterward just in case, because some laundry detergent is a little harsh. So just make sure to rinse your hand out. But other than that, that's it. They all smell nice again. It's like washing clothes, basically. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope it would solve your problem there. Number one problem in the sink, which I hate. But I hope it solved your problem there, because it does certainly solve mine, and it worked flawlessly. It's like you're washing clothes. That's how it is. Instead of washing sponges, washing clothes. But anyway, I hope this video is helpful to you, and I will see you in the next video.